Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your friends list on your PlayStation 5 account to no one. So even friends can't see it or people outside of your friends list. So to do this, what we want to do is go to the home screen, then go up to the top and go to settings right here and select this. Then go down to users and accounts. Now under here, let's go down to privacy. Then go to the right and go to view and customize your privacy settings. Now, under this screen, let's scroll on down. Where it says your information, who can see your friends? So currently I have set to friends of friends. Now we can choose this and we can go to anyone. Anyone can see it, friends of friends. Then we have friends only, or we have no one. So if we select no one, nobody would be able to see our friends list and it would hide it from everyone. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.